In this age of artificial intelligence, crafting your own 3D animated movie is now accessible to everyone, even if you lack prior knowledge in 3D and animation. Welcome back to my AI channel. Today, I'll guide you through the process of generating 3D animations using an AI tool. Throughout this tutorial, we'll transform any existing video into a captivating 3D animation with just a few clicks. Additionally, I'll demonstrate how to effortlessly create your unique 3D character. With this step-by-step walkthrough, taking only several minutes, I hope you'll be able to produce your very own 3D animated masterpiece. Let's dive in. Step 1. Account creation. To initiate the use of the video to 3D animation converter, you must first establish a DeepMotion AI account. Locate the link in the video description, then click the Sign Up button to create a new DeepMotion account. Step 2. Crafting 3D characters. Once logged into DeepMotion AI, navigate to the Animate 3D menu and follow the guide by clicking Get Started. Proceed to the 3D Models menu. In this example, we'll utilize the Ready Player Me avatar generator. Choose your body type and either upload a photo for conversion into a 3D avatar or select Continue Without Photo. Follow by choosing an avatar model and clicking Next to proceed. Customize various features such as skin color, facial details, and attire. After finalizing, click Next. Either register with Ready Player Me or opt for Continue Without Sign Up. Then enter your character's name and click Save to store all avatar information. Step 3. Generating 3D AI animation. From the DeepMotion AI dashboard, go to Animate 3D and click on 3D Models. Select your 3D avatar character and click Create Animation. Upload your video, rename if necessary, and use the Trim and Crop button to edit. Once satisfied, click Save. Enable MP4 output in the Video Output menu, uncheck Include Original Video, set a green background, adjust camera mode, and customize shadow and audio settings. Click Create to convert your video into a 3D animation using DeepMotion AI. After the generation process, click Download, select MP4 format, and click Download to save your animation. Step 4. Crafting animated background. Now, create an animated background using Canva. Visit the Canva dashboard, choose the Video menu, then explore Elements and search for Animation. Select your desired video animation, set it as the background, and download the animated background video. Step 5. Editing. Combine the 3D video animation and animated background using CapCut. Import both videos, position the animated background on the first layer, and the 3D video animation on the upper layer. Use the chroma key function on the 3D animation video, adjust its size, and trim or modify its speed. Once satisfied, click Export, input your file name, and adjust resolution and quality as needed. Here's the final video result from this DeepMotion AI tutorial. Now you can create your own animation using AI. Learn how to add a script and voiceover using free text-to-speech tools at this channel. Lastly, make your animation more captivating by incorporating AI-generated music. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and share to support my work. Until next time, happy creating.